Yeah, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to add or remove currency pairs from Metatrader 4 or 5. Probably you've been having a challenge, adding currency pairs or removing currency pairs from your app, your Metatrader 4 or 5 app. Yeah, you are at the right place. So the thing you need to do is, first and foremost, if you want to add currency pairs, you log into your app on your mobile phone, either on your Android or your iOS. Then once you have logged in, you go to the top right corner of your app. Top right, you see the plus sign. You tap on it. Then it depends on the currency pair you want to add. Let's say euro, USD. So you just tap on it. It will add. Or if you really want to add a lot of other currency pairs, you go. This is forex group. They are arranged in groups. So for forex groups, you look at all the forex currency pairs that you want to add. So anyone you tap on will be added to your app. So as I'm tapping them, they are being added to my app. So once you're done, you go back, so you see a lot of them have been added to my app. But probably then, if you say that your app is overcrowded and you want to really streamline to just have the only currency pairs you trade on, then you can remove all other ones. So this is how you go about it. You just tap the pencil icon at the top right hand corner of your screen. Then you see a waste bin icon at the same top right hand corner of your screen. You tap on it. Then you see all the whole currency page you have. Then you see a checkbox on the right hand side of your screen. So you just need to activate the checkbox against the currency pair you want to remove. So as I'm tapping on them now, these ones I'm tapping on will be removed. So if I'm okay with the much I have already tapped, and the currency pairs I want to remove, you can just tap on the waste bin again. You see that all of them will be removed. So if you go back to your MetaTrader 4, you see that they are streamlined. If you do it again, you see that a lot of them will be removed. So just tap again. You just go back. You see that we are only left with five currency pairs. So this is just how to add or remove currency pairs from your MetaTrader 4 or 5. I hope this helped. Have a nice day.